liberty, equality, and dignity of the individual, guaranteed by the Constitution, or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable by the courts in the India. As far as our Constitution is concerned, we have all rights to be proud of such good Constitution. Part 3 of the Constitution deals with the fundamental rights from Article 12 to 35, and these rights may be classified into 6 categories: right to equality, right freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights of minorities, and right to constitutional remedies. Whereas the directive principles of state policy from Article 36 to 51 underline the principles of the good governance which the state to apply in making laws. The provisions contained in this part shall not be enforceable by any court. Human rights, you see, as they emerge, our Supreme Court has played a very proactive role. And the Supreme Court, by a creative innovation, has overcome the objections by holding that for constitutional wrong or violation, no sovereign immunity avails. If anybody asks me what has been the significant development through our constitution in the journey of our country, I always say that the remarkable judgment or public or remedy doctrine which was created by the Supreme Court in Nilvati Behra case, however, the things started from Gul Shah, Delhi Commissioner, Bhim Singh, but ultimately, in Nilvati Behra's case, the Supreme Court said that if a wrong has been committed, the state will be liable for the wrong committed by servant. However, under Article 300, king can do no wrong principles applies. So, and another remarkable contribution which has been made by the Supreme Court is the interpretative inclination of the judge to read United Nations instrument into the national legislation, thus strengthening the human right. You might be remembering when Justice Verma pronounced Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan judgment. They created sexual harassment of women at workplace as an offense. That was the beginning of including or reading the international covenants under the law. The UNDP report, HDI index, friends, you may understand the importance of education, because if we are developing, we are progressing, then it is only because of the education and the awareness. And wide inequality in people's well-being casts a shadow on sustained development progress, with people in very high human development countries living 19 years longer and spending 7 more years in school than those living in the group of low human development countries. One key source of inequality is the gap in opportunities, achievement, and the empowerment between the women and men. There is tremendous variation in inequality of education, healthcare, and many other key aspects of life. Friends, today you can pledge that it is not a ritual which you are performing. First thing is, you should try to understand this word human rights in letter and spirit. You should understand the force behind it. It is not purely a legal concept, and it is not purely a moral concept until unless you will not blend it with the law. Your governance will not be conscious, capable of including all these philosophies. And you see, when I say morality means all principles through which a man guide, regulate, and control his relationship with himself and others. So they should think in ways. Attitude should be changed on the basis of the human rights. And I would like to conclude with the observation that I agree that the law cannot be viewed separate from society, and law is a barometer of the moral and the social thinking of the society. Law as a social value regulate behavior and establish social organization, and according to UG Ehrlich, I quote, the positive law can be effective when it corresponds to living law. Here I want to focus, I unquote. Living law, social morality, individual thinking. If the individuals will be more and more morally conscious of protecting, disseminating, distributing, understanding, spreading human rights, it will be good for us. Once again, I thank Dr. Amit. Amit, thank you very much. I thank all the participants who I don't know how far I have been able to communicate, but really I'm thankful to you for listening me patiently. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Surely our thoughts and sir, you have like a brief and about the balance and the taking and the force behind you guys is not purely legal and purely moral. I can assure you that the participants will continue this discussion further. Now I would call upon our officer representative to kindly call on our next
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your delighting and innovative, thought-provoking speech. एक चीज मैं इसके पहले कि नेक्स्ट स्पीकर को इंट्रोड्यूस करूं, मैं सर के बारे में थॉट्स हैं जो अपनी कुछ कहना चाहूंगा. We have started learning in Lucknow University Law Faculty in 1996. मैंने 1996 में एडमिशन लिया था लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में फॉर कंप्लीटिंग माय LLB degree, LLB 3 years, and before that